Are you still wasting thousands of dollars every single month on an expensive HeyGen AI video generator subscription? Look at the current AI landscape. Everyone is throwing their hard-earned money at platforms like Higgsfield AI, OpenArt AI, and HeyGen AI just to get a few minutes of decent video generation. The AI industry has engineered a massive trap. They hook you with a limited free trial, and before you know it, you are paying outrageous API credit fees just to create basic content. If you are paying for API credits right now, you need to stop immediately. Close your wallet. By the end of this video, you will learn a completely seamless method to generate long-form AI spokespersons without ever exhausting your budget again. Welcome back to Esmile AI. Today, I am revealing an advanced, built-in hidden workflow option right inside the HeyGen AI system. This is a complete game changer. I am going to show you exactly how to route your generation directly through their advanced render mode and generate completely free, high-quality 1080p AI avatars with absolutely zero watermarks. You can generate 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or even 30 minutes of ultra-realistic AI video, and it will not cost you a single penny from your pocket. Now, let me be very clear. I am not going to show you some sketchy, unauthorized software. I am not going to ask you to use annoying, temporary, disposable emails to repeatedly abuse free trials. We're not doing any of that. What we are going to utilize today is a clean, 100% compliant developer interface technique that is natively accessible right inside your browser's inspection tools. But I need you to listen to me very carefully right now. The moment this video hits the YouTube algorithm and goes viral, the engineering team at HeyGen is going to notice the sudden influx of creators using this method. When they realize how many users are utilizing this advanced configuration, they will likely update this layout immediately. This trick could change or disappear at any second, so pay close attention, do not skip a single step, do not look away from the screen, and let's dive right into the ultimate AI workflow option. First, open your browser and go straight to the official HeyGen website. You can just Google it and click the official top verified link. I want to prove to you how clean and legitimate this process is. So we are not using any weird virtual private networks, proxy accounts. We are not doing any of that. Google button and use your standard everyday personal email account. Once you answer their quick welcome setup questions, you will land right on the main home dashboard. It looks exactly like the normal premium experience, but we are about to maximize the platform's workspace utility. Now, this is where you need to follow my exact clicks. If you mess this up, you will hit their standard subscription prompts. On the left side menu, look for the option that says Avatar and click on it. Then look up at the top navigation bar and move over to the My Avatar section. We need to set up our custom character first. Choose the option that says Create a Virtual Character and click the Upload button to drop in a high-quality photo of yourself. Once it processes the image, a Review Uploads pop-up will appear on your screen. Just hit the Continue button. Next, the system will ask for some basic metadata details to bring your avatar to life. Give it a name. For this demonstration, I am calling mine Kismet AI. Select your age group, select your gender, and hit Continue. An audio selection screen will pop up trying to prompt you to pick a default voice, but you can just cancel or close that window for now. Boom! Your custom avatar is now fully processed and sitting right there in your My Avatars list. Now freeze. This is exactly where 99% of people fail and end up stuck behind the pricing wall. If you click on your avatar normally right now, the system will immediately prompt you to spend standard credits to generate a video clip. Do not do that. Instead, take your mouse and carefully hover your cursor over your newly created avatar. When you do this, you will see three small icons seamlessly appear on top of the image container. A three-dot menu on the left, a play button directly in the middle, and a heart icon on the right. You need to click that middle play button. When you click it, a hidden advanced drop-down menu will appear. Look at the very first option and select Build Scene by Scene. Instantly, this completely changes the user interface. You have now safely moved beyond the standard editor constraints and entered the advanced scene builder workspace layout. Look over at the left-hand panel. You'll see a specific option to upload audio. This is where the real magic happens. On a standard automated tier, HeyGen tightly restricts you to a tiny baseline 1-minute generation window, but today we are completely expanding far beyond that limit. Upload audio and select your voiceover file. Just to prove to you that this advanced technique has absolutely no boundaries, I am uploading a massive audio file. It is nearly 10 minutes long. 9 minutes and 48 seconds to be exact. Add the audio, wait a moment for processing, and you will see your entire script perfectly transcribed and loaded on the left side of your screen. Now shift your focus over to the right side control panel. You will see a section labeled Motion Engine. By default, the system has this initialized to Avatar IV. You need to click that drop-down menu and change it from Avatar IV down to Avatar 3. Listen to me. This next step is the most crucial part of the entire video. Do not, under any circumstances, click the bright blue Generate button at the top right of your screen. That button is a commercial trigger. It is directly hardwired to prompt their credit billing system and process account limits. If you click it, the workflow stops being free. Instead, look all the way down at the very bottom of that right-hand settings panel. You will see a subtle integrated utility button that simply says Render Scene. Click Render Scene. What is happening right now? HeyGen's cloud servers are processing your entire 10-minute video asset directly within the visual interface cache, without ever communicating with your front-end account limits. Because my audio script is almost 10 minutes long, it will naturally take a little bit of time for their background servers to sync the mouth movements and process the video data. If you uploaded a short 30-second clip, this would happen almost instantly. Just wait patiently for a minute or two until you see a small green checkmark appear at the bottom of the workspace that says Scene Rendered. The moment you see that green checkmark, your full video asset is literally sitting right there on your screen, fully lip-synced and rendered within the browser interface. But we need to save it to our local device in perfect 1080p, completely removing any branding layout or watermarks. Here's the ultimate developer interface technique. Right-click anywhere in the empty dark space on that browser page and select Inspect at the very bottom of the menu. This will instantly open up your browser's web element console on the right side of your screen. Do not let the raw text and script layout intimidate you. This is incredibly easy, and you do not need to be a programmer or a developer to do this. In the very top left corner of that new inspector panel, there is a tiny icon that looks like a mouse cursor pointer clicking inside a small square box. It is called the Select an Element tool. Click it once so it turns blue. Now, move your mouse directly over your generated AI video container in the center of the screen. As you hover over it, the video player element will highlight in a soft blue overlay mask. Left-click the video exactly once. Instantly, the element tree panel on the right will jump down and automatically focus on the exact specific line of code where your video file source is hosted. Look closely at the highlighted text structure for the line that says div class equals CSS-1PBMFCM. Right next to that line of container text, there are 3 small layout dots. Click those 3 dots to expand the hidden code block. And there it is. You just found the hidden source path. Inside that expanded line, you will see a native video tag. And right next to it is a massive, extremely long link starting with https://heygenresources.amazonaws.com. That link is the raw, uncompressed, watermark-free premium video source file sitting directly under cloud media distribution servers. Carefully hover your mouse cursor over that exact URL path and double-click it to highlight the entire active URL path. Press Ctrl-C on your keyboard to copy the text. Now, go to the top of your browser layout and open a brand new clean tab. Paste that exact cloud URL directly into the URL bar and hit Enter on your keyboard. Instantly, a pristine premium 1080p MP4 file of your AI avatar will pull directly from the cloud source entirely and start downloading straight to your computer's storage drive. No watermarks, perfect high-definition lip sync, an entire 10-minute professional video asset generated for absolutely nothing. You can use this exact structural layout to generate your long-form video project, completely managing your content workflow until they decide to update their design structure and interface endpoints. If this secret developer technique just saved you hundreds of dollars in production costs, I need you to hit that like button right now. Subscribe to Esmile AI and turn on all notifications, because I am always exploring the most advanced built-in AI tips and content workflows that nobody else on the internet is talking about. Make sure to generate your videos quickly while this layout remains active, and I will see you in the next one.